Hey there, so this is Oliver at this side, and this is a tutorial video for AdsCrisp. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is when you see a dashboard, okay, so yours will be a blank dashboard and you will see this tab of new project. In our case, we have rendered a number of videos, so you will see them over here. So in your case, you will see a blank canvas over here, so you need to click on the new project, number one. Next, you will select the platform on which you want to run the ad right now. So maybe Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever platform you are willing to run the ad right now. Okay. Next, let's say you click on Facebook, then you need to select the placement. So right now at the time of making this tutorial, we have not added all the placements over here. So there are about 10 more placements which will be coming over here. Okay. So you will see them by the time you will have the access. Number one. Number two, this is a AdsCrisp is not just a video ad creation suite. Okay, so creation suite is of course a part of it, but it is also a training suite. So we are also going to give you a lot of training of how to run these video ads in all of these placements, because we know that it is going to be a difficult. It's going to be a little difficult for you to run the ads and in all the placements, figuring out all the placements and all this stuff, right? So we are going to make sure that we do a lot of live sessions with you inside the members area, so that you are aware of all the placements, how to run the ads on them, and all sort of stuff, right? So this is a ads creation suite plus an ad training suite. All right, so next, let's say I click over here, and then I need to select a placement, select a template. So I will pick this template for now. Okay, and next I will click on create a video. Now what I do need to do next is I can add a text over here, not necessarily the price. I can add a text over here, not necessarily the the product name, and you can add an image over here which can be any image, right? So you see over here, what you see over here is a shoes image, but it is not necessarily important to add a shoe over here. You can add anything, right? So you can, let's say you click over here, and we have added a lot of images already. So I will add an image from here, maybe this one. Okay, and next thing that you need to do is crop the image according to the size in which you want it, right? So you can resize the images like this. You can bring them down like this, and then you can have the entire image like this, and then you can crop it. Okay, so now you have the first thing. Next, what you can do is you can add something like, let's say, the ice cream festival, right? So as you can see, you have the text limit over here. You can go up to 50 characters. I don't think for the tutorial I will go to that level. And you can add something like let's say 20th April. Okay, so you can add anything over here. Then you click on next. Then you can add another image. So let's quickly pick another image from here. I like this image, and let's quickly crop this one. Okay, and okay, now this looks good. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, let's crop this. Okay, now we have this image. Then we move to the screen number 3. Let's add this image, and let's bring it down, crop the image. You know the drill now. Okay, and I want to make a proper advertisement right in front of you, and then you can write something like visit www.icecreamfest.com. Now, by the way, this is not my website. I don't know whether this website even exists or not. So I'm just making it randomly, okay? And once this is done, you need to click on the next button. Then you can select the template color, right? So the one that you saw was the background color. Over here you can select the template color using a color palette, or you can add your own custom colors using your own brand, your own brand color. So maybe I would like to add orange color and add this blue color if I'm creating the ads for AdsCrisp. In this case, I would like to use some tempting colors, maybe these, and I can customize the text color if I want, but let's just go ahead for now. Right now, the next thing that you can do is you can add a music, right? Let's say I wanna play this music, and so what has been done is you have been given a complete music library over here. You have like 100 plus music over here, right? And one music has been selected by default, so you can use this music if you want. Otherwise, you can go ahead by selecting some other music, maybe something like, yeah, I like this one. Let's use this one, okay? So now we have this, and let me click on next. Don't worry about this image, okay? This is the default image, and next you click on rendering, okay? So now if you will see that this promo video is in queue at the moment, and it will be done in about 5-6 minutes. So let me pause the video till then, and I will see you then, okay? See ya. Alright, so we paused the video for a little bit and we waited for the rendering, and now it's done. It takes like about 2 minutes, and over here if you will see that the team is also working in the backend, right? They're doing all sort of tests and stuff. So let me come to it. Looks good, right? And the next thing that you need to do is you download the advertisement and you can start running it on your social media, right? So this is the only step that is left to be done. And this feature right over here is sharing, direct sharing. Now this is one of the upsells. So this won't be available for the just for the basic users now. But yeah, this is right over here. The advertisement is downloaded. Have a look. Looks good, right? And you can customize the colors, you can customize the stuff, you can add your images, you can add your text, you can create a fancy looking advertisement. If I would just show you around the kind of advertisements the team is testing, like they're testing like anything, just have a look. These are looking super classy, right? Yeah, right over here. This looks good, the coffee one, right? I like it. And this image also looks really good to me. So the thing is, you can make quality advertisements using AdsCrisp just like in just 3 clicks, right? Step one, select the placement, select the the category where you want to run the ad. Step two, select the template. Step three, you add your images, you add your text, and the next thing that you need to do is click on render. That's it, and your advertisement is ready. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you so much.